सर्वदा मेरे गुरुपाद पद्म चतुर्ला पृष्ठ विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सतनाम शिव गोस्वामी महाराज नित्यलीला विष्णु विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सतनाम सप्तम ज्ञान साधन की कथा हम लोग जिस कथा का श्रवण कर रहे थे ये महाभागवती गोपियाँ वंचित धनी श्रवण करते इस प्रकार स्थावर जंगम धर्म का प्राप्त कर देते हैं। तो इसके बारे में हम लोग विश्वभम का वर्णन करते या गोपी को अनुगणम या गोपी को अनुगणम तुदारोग्यनु शनि कलपादम तनु ऋत्सु सख अस्कुंदनम गति चित्रम
Hare Krishna. So the katha we were hearing yesterday that Krishna, when he goes from one to another forest, from one forest to another sort of for cow herding, from one to another forest, from one forest to another forest. So at that time, the form of Krishna, which is called Allad form, and seeing that gopis are describing so nicely, that form is so beautiful that when Krishna Balram with the Gwalwal so when by their own hands he carries the cow from one forest to another forest, so he binds the top of his turban with the niryoga rope, which is used for winding the legs of the calves and for his shoulders. So at the time of milking the cow, whenever they used to tie the legs of the cow, so that rope, the short rope, is Krishna is carrying on his shoulder, both shoulder. So upon seeing that sweet unparalleled beauty and hearing the sound of the Venu, everybody was shocked that what a beautiful form it is. So we have already heard this katha, especially Spandanam Gati Mata Pulakast Tarunam Niryog Pasakrita Lakshanayor Vichitram. So we have already heard this katha yesterday. We have discussed about Niryog and Pas. What is Niryog and Pas? Actually, Krishna Krishna attracts everybody everybody by his love. That's why Braj Raminis
प्रेम में विवश होकर कृष्ण के परम मनोहर वो बालोकोचितम देश और गिरनाथ की बातें करते करते कहने लगे सभी कृष्ण के निर्जोग और पास को देखने की ऐसा प्रतीत होता है कि वह सचमुच निर्जोग पास है जिसके द्वारा निश्चित और परिच्छिन्न रूप से चिरजीवन के लिए योग अर्थात मिलन होता है।
Mahabhagavati gopis,
यह निर्जोग और पास के ऊपर
so
वर्णन करते
they were describing about Niryog and Pas.
हैं। निर्जोग निश्चय रूप में
Niryog, what is Niryog?
अर्थात सदा के लिए
Which is always connected. Which is always connected with where there is no separation, Vichhed. Always meeting.
एक बार
Wha-
प्रेम के साथ कोई योग होगा
If someone connected with Krishna with love,
यह योग
then never he will detach from him.
पहले से
In the Chaitanya Charitamrita, it is mentioned by Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami,
एक बार कृष्ण के साथ कोई
once somebody connected with Krishna with love, connect hona, jodna,
प्रेम के साथ भक्ति के साथ
with the love, with the bhakti, somebody connected,
कनेक्ट कभी
that person will never be detached, separate from him.
एक बार कोई भगवान के चरण की शरणापन्न
Once somebody take the shelter of lotus feet of Bhagwan, Bhagwan will never leave him. Even Bhagwan is saying, Apichet so durachari. Bhagwan is so merciful. So the person who is so much durachari, the person who is vyavachari, who is very fallen, at such kinds of person, if take the shelters of Bhagwan feet, Bhagwan says, I never leave that person. So that's why Bhagwan is saying to Arjun, hey Arjun, please take an oath that my devotee will never fall down. But Bhagwan, there is only one condition. Ananya Bhava means one pointed towards my feet, only one pointed towards my feet. Except Krishna, he never perform bhajan to others. This is the condition here only. He should be Ananya. He should be one pointed towards Krishna's feet, surrender souls. So according to our previous impression, if we fall down, so Bhagwan is saying, hey Arjun, please accept him as a devotee. Treat him as a devotee. So this is my promise, this is my conclusion, that he is a sadhu, he is not a sadhu. If you think that he is very bad person, he is a sadhu and you hate that person, so this is offense. Because his behavior is sadhu, because he has taken shelter of my feet. So if somebody hasn't taken my shelter, so it is my duty to rectify his disqualities. So Bhagwan is saying, this is my responsibility, that I will rectify all his qualities, all his disqualities. Just like a mother always rule his child. If the child does something wrong, so if other person treat him badly, so that mother cannot accept that. In the same way, if somebody ruling on your child before you, so you cannot accept that, you cannot tolerate that. Maybe your son has committed something wrong, so you cannot tolerate others ruling on him. You will rule on him. Because mother has love and affection towards his child. In the same way, Bhagwan is saying, if somebody hasn't taken my shelter, so it is my responsibility once if he has taken my shelter. So I will rectify that.
जब पाद पंकज पलाश विलास भक्ता परमासम गुटिल उद्गतंति संत तद्वन्न रिक्तमतो जते रुद्र श्रोतागणस्तम अरण भजवासुदेव भागवत किसने कहा?
So this is the shlok of Bhagavatam.
तो भगवान इतने करुणामय
So Bhagavan is so merciful.
तो इसी प्रकार
In the same way, gopis are saying in the same way, Niryog and Pas,
निश्चय रूप में ध्रुव हो जाता
which is forever connected with Krishna.
है।
Niryog.
माने निश्चय रूप कोई बाकी नहीं रहता
Nothing,
है।
nothing left. Completely connected.
ग्रहण करने की भी
There is no need to,
नहीं रहता।
there is no need to connect anything others.
तो उसी प्रकार
In the same way,
महाभागवती
Gopiyas, who the Mahabhagavad Gopis are saying,
उसके जो निर्जोग
actually the Niryog, which is the long robe he has took on his head, he has bind on his head. Why he has put on his head?
एक तो साधारण है तो बड़ा रस्सी है इसलिए सिर पर
First, the simple way, it is the long rope that's why he has carried on his head.
बात भी कहते
And the second reason is
हैं रस्सी गाय को बंधा जाता है
because that rope he tied with that rope to the cows.
प्रणमन है रस्सी हमारे से प्रणमन
Brahman kya?
समझ में आया है? वो भी पूछेंगे
Oh, just like cows are worshipful, in the same way that rope is also worshipful for us. Krishna is saying like that. Just like
सम्मान देते हैं
as we pay the respect to our guru, so in the same way we have to pay the respect to the things belongs to our Gurudev.
जो है गोविंद की सेवा की
Because
मेरे अच्छा क्या बोले
Guru,
इष्ट देव के सेवा की वस्तु
if something belongs to our Ishtadev, so it is same respectable just like our Ishtadev.
आदरणीय है इसलिए भगवान ने कि देखो है उसके भी सिर पर
So that's why Bhagwan carried that rope on his head. This is a beautiful view here. We never think about that.
भगवान ये निर्जोग के जो
Why Bhagwan has kept that Niryog on his head,
है पगड़ी के ऊपर क्यों रखे
on his turban? This is the reason behind. Because just like cow is worshipful for Krishna, in the same way that the things belongs to cow, it also worshipable for Krishna. That's why he is carrying his rope on his head.
नमस्ते तु दामने स्मृति
Namaste Studhamne
नमस्ता हुई तदीय प्रियाई नमो नमः कलिलाय देवाय
Namo Nantarigaya.
इस रस्सी के द्वारा
So we always pay the obeisances to that rope, which is with the rope Mother Yashoda tied the Krishna. So how much difference between our devotees and the Bhagwan's vichar?
है तो क्या निश्चित रूप में है चिरजीव के लिए ही योग अर्थात निगम अथवा निर्विकल्प समाधि भी जिसके समीप अत्यंत तुच्छ हो जाता है दो प्रकार की समाधि
There are two kinds of samadhis.
है अद्वैतवादी के समाधि को कहते हैं
With the Advaitvadi samadhi is called Nirvikalpavad samadhi, and the Bhakta samadhi is called Savikalpa samadhi. Samyak Rupena. So by the wisdom we remember the all Ashtakali Leela, that is called Samadhi, Savikalpa Samadhi. And Avisheshwadi, Nirvisheshwadi, whatever kinds of the Samadhi they had, that is called Nirvikalpavadi. So they always try to think that Bhagwan is just like a form of light, and they meditate upon that. So the person who are thinking about Brahma and who would like to get the pleasure of Brahma, so this is very inferior. The Savikal Samadhi, compare that very inferior according to Savikalpa Samadhi. There is so much pleasure in meeting and remembrance of Bhagwan. So the person who are thinking about Brahma and who would like to submerge into the Brahma, so it is not a single drop of the ocean. This is true, that there is too much pleasure in meeting with Krishna. So they both that take pleasures. This is called love. When meeting someone, both get love, both get pleasure. This is a stage of love.
ब्रजवासियों तथा वनचारी प्राणियों के उनके द्वारा मुख से प्रारंभ प्रेम पास का अद्भुत महाप्रभाव प्रदर्शित हो रहा है और जिसको पास कहा गया खुदा जो रसी
The call which is called the thing which is called past, the little rope.
सब क्या हो जाएगा बंद जाओ
So with the love of Krishna, everybody tied.
जिससे वो कहीं नहीं जा सकते
With they cannot go anywhere.
एक तो निर्जोग पास के द्वारा
One is Niryog pass, and second is
पासों के द्वारा जब बंधन हो
pass.
जाता है
When somebody tied with both things, so they cannot go anywhere. That's why gopis are saying,
निर्जोग पास के ऐसा ही प्रेम का फंदा मान रहे हैं कृष्ण के वेणुनाथ से बन के हिरण पक्षी आदि सारे सब जीव प्रेम में विभोर होकर जड़वंत हो जाते हैं वृक्ष लता आदि अजर प्राणी अपने स्वभाव को छोड़कर जंगम का स्वभाव धारण कर लेते हैं स्त्री हो जाते हैं
they becomes all the creatures of the forest. They become stunned.
देववशिता रोमांचित एवं पुलकित हो उठते हैं केवल यही नहीं कृष्ण के परिणाम से यमुना मनसुगंधा आदि नदियों का प्रवाह स्तब्ध हो जाता है जिस प्रकार हम लोग श्रवण करने
Sukatha, we have already heard that by the when you sound of flutes, all the Mansi Ganga and all the rivers become stunned.
बहने लगती है देखो कैसे तात्पर्य क्या है
What is the meaning actually? When Krishna he plays the flute
गोवर्धन की ऊपर चढ़ करके
on the hill of Giraj Govardhan.
गोवर्धन की शिलाएं जो है
So at that time, or the stones of Giraj Govardhan that becomes melted. So that's why Krishna's footprints is still there.
इसलिए कहता है गोवर्धन पर्वत आदि के शिलाएं विदलित होकर धारा प्रवाह के रूप में बहने लगती हैं। मिलन के पश्चात नायक नायिका पृथक देश आदि में निवास होने के कारण न मिल पाए इसके प्रवास कहा जाता है अपने स्थान से दूसरे स्थान से चले जाना उसी काल में प्रवास
So what is pravas? One person goes from one place to another place. This is called pravas. So there are two kinds of pravas, which is near. First is near, and second is far. So in this world, according to the Natya Shastra,
जब प्रिय दुर्देश चले जाते
when somebody beloved goes to far country, so that is called pravas.
जगत में
But in the transcendental world,
दूर प्रवास नहीं है
Krishna's pravas is not the dur pravas.
निकट प्रवासी जो है
It is nikat pravas.
मूर्छित करते हैं विरह सहन करते हैं
So the separation mode of gopis,
जैसे कृष्ण
just like what kind of pravas is that? When Krishna is used to go for cow herding,
गोपियां
all the gopis
तो जा नहीं पाती
they cannot go with Krishna.
गृह कार्य आदि करना पड़ता
They has to do his whole household duties because this is the foundation of the
है।
society.
देखो
But
गोपियां भी क्या करती
what gopis are doing
हैं उस समय भी सहन करने
at that time?
किसी बहाने
At that time they cannot tolerate all these things. So anyhow they would like to meet with Krishna.
जैसे
Just like
जमुना में पानी
just like they have a pretension that we have to go to fill up the water in the pitcher from Yamuna.
वो जान
So the pitcher is full of water, but knowingly they fall down all the water of the pitcher, and then they said, oh, there is no water in the pitcher, now we have to fill up with the Yamuna. That's why we are going to filling up to Yamuna. So they make these kinds of excuses. So in this way they are going to meet with Krishna.
गोपियों से कृष्ण से विच्छेद कितने समय
So this is a few minutes gopis were separated with Krishna. So in the same time, in that duration, that they cannot tolerate the separation with Krishna.
सुनना है जगदी सब जगत सर्वम गोविंद कितना उनके विरह ये दिखाते हैं
So how much separation they have with Krishna?
ये मिलन के पश्चात नायक व नायिका पृथक देश आदि में निवास होने के कारण न मिल पाता, इसलिए प्रवास करें। इस प्रवास में क्या क्या लक्षण होता है? चिंता,
What are the symptoms of that pravas?
जागर्या,
Chinta, Jagrada, Nirveg, Malinita.
प्रलाप, उन्माद, व्याधि, मोह और विध्वस्त दशाएं है।
There are 10 things here. I don't know
पहले
which
होता
one.
है क्या? चिंतन।
First one is Chintan, remembrance.
कहीं चली जाए,
Just like your beloved is went somewhere, so
उसके लिए चिंतन।
you think about that
जैसे
person.
आपके बेटा कहीं चले
Just suppose that your son is went away somewhere,
उसको चिंतन।
so because you have so much love towards him, so that's why you should always think about him, what to do now. In the same way,
गोपी के हृदय में क्या होता है?
gopis
चिंतन।
have this kinds of chintan, the remembrance of Krishna.
नींद नहीं।
Jagarja means there is no sleepness. It is called insomnia.
विवेक, मन में अनेक प्रकार के विचार आते हैं।
And udveg.
और कृशता, कृशता माने क्षीण हो जाना, शरीर।
So their body becomes very thin.
मलिनता,
Malinita.
शरीर में जो उज्ज्वलता जो धीरे धीरे कम होती है।
So the body's tej means the aura's body becomes very low. Chinta. But gopis, it's not happened with the gopis. Just they are presenting being humble only.
आपने आगे चिंता की, अपने आप बोलते रहो, बकते रहो।
Pravalta. Pravalta means they always speak in their mind. They talk to themselves.
जिसको प्रलाप कहा।
Pralap. This is called pralap.
आलाप, हैं? उन्माद दशा हो जाए।
Unmad. Dasha.
कभी-कभी
The stage of Unmad. Sometimes they became mad. So the people of their houses, they used to say, oh, somebody has catch him.
ग्रहग्रस्त व्यक्ति की भांति होता है।
They became like ghost.
ग्रह जो है unfavorable हो।
That sometime if somebody's graha is not favor or to that person, so they used to do bad activities. In the same way,
व्यक्ति की भांति
gopis are behaving like that.
व्याधि,
Vyadhi,
रोगग्रस्त जैसे।
that person becomes so much full of disease.
वास्तव में उनकी व्याधि थी।
Actually, they don't have any kinds of vyadhi, the illness, but they are pretending to be ill externally.
योग माया के द्वारा इस सब
So everything is done by the Yog Maya.
मोह उत्पन्न हो जाता है।
They got so much more,
इसके बिना
so without that they cannot live.
कहाँ मिले,
Where to meet?
कहाँ मिले,
कहाँ जाऊँ कहाँ पाऊँ ब्रजे नंदन श्याम सुंदर. They used to think only like this.
इतने मोह हो जाता है उनके बिना।
So they get so much kinds of moh that without them they cannot live.
मोहग्रस्त। और इसके बाद होता है क्या?
And then at least mrityu.
मृत्यु कहने के तात्पर्य
So what is the meaning to say mrityu here? Murcha, the faintness. So because in the transcendental world there is no word is kind of mrityu, death.
जहाँ पर मृत्यु शब्द है शास्त्र में उसे कहा जाता है क्या?
Where is the word of mrityu? Death, that is called faintness.
है?
Faint.
है?
Murcha.
आगे की कथा।
So further katha gopis are saying, Bhakti Vinod Thakur is describing here.
इस दूत प्रवास में राधा भाव भी उपयोगी है। यहाँ ब्रह्मगीत आदि वर्णनीय है। प्रवास के समय हरिया के भाव उच्छ्वास तथा अभिन्न करके वचन शब्दावली में लिखा है। फिर यहाँ पर दूर प्रवास के बारे में कुछ वर्णन है।
So here is describing about Dushprabhav.
वृंदावन छोड़कर
When Krishna leaving Vrindavan he went to Mathura,
उस समय गोपियों
at that
की
time,
विचार हुई।
so the condition of the gopis,
जैसे कि श्रीमती राधा की दिव्य उन्माद दशा।
that is called the Divya Unmad Dasha.
दिव्य उन्माद दशा
That Divya Unmad Dasha, the stage of,
हरि में
it is only stable, situated in the Srimati Radhika completely.
जिसके ब्रह्म गीत के रूप में महर्षि सुखदेव गोस्वामी भागवत
So our Sukdev Goswami Path in the form of Brahma Gita he has described there.
जल को अजल को सुजल को
Jalpa, Ajalpa, Sujalpa, Vikalpa.
दशा को जो है
So he has described the 10 stage there also.
इसलिए यहाँ पर कार्य में
So that's why it is saying, he is saying,
प्रभास प्रभास में
which shlok is this?
राधा और अधिक उपयोगी है यहाँ समर गीत आदि की पठन में प्रभास के समय राधा की भावोच्छास्त्रता दिव्य उन्माद दशा इसके लिए पद्मावत में माधवी के प्रतिपाद के श्लोक यहाँ पर उनका वर्णन करेंगे। वै दीनदयात्रनाथ हे मथुरानाथ तावलोकसे हृदयं तदलोकं कातरं दयितं भ्रमति किं करोम्यहम्। हे दिनजन के प्रति परम दयालु हृदय हे नाथ हे मथुरनाथ मुझे कब आपको दर्शन
Hey Deen Dayal Mathuranath, when you will give me the darshan? Hey Pranath, without your darshan, my heart is so much disturbed. What should I do now? This shlok is very Uttam Koti shlok.
इस श्लोक जो है पहले राधा जी की भाव विकार है।
So first in the shlok, they are describing the Radha ji's bhav, and the second,
ये माधवेंद्र पुरी भाव
Madhvendra Puri bhav,
है। और तीसरी
and the third one is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
है
Yes,
सब लोग को होना ही चाहिए
no one is the fourth one in this world.
क्योंकि
Because this Divya Unmad Dasha is happen in three personality only: Srimati Radhika, Madhavendra Puri, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
राधा जी ने ही संपूर्ण रूप में
This is completely situated only in Radhika, Rani.
बहुत सुंदर
The explanation is very beautiful here.
दीननाथ दयाद्रनाथ
He Dinanath, Dayadranath, He Krishna Mathuranath, Kave Punah Pava Darshana, Na Dekhi Se Chandamukha, Vyatita Hriday Dukha, He Dayit Ki Kari Ekhana. As the Kaustubh jewel is the topmost of the all jewels, this verse is foremost among Ras poetry. There are three kinds of manis described in the Shastra jewels. One is Kaustubh mani,
और दूसरी क्या है
and the second is Samyantak mani.
हुक्म धारण करते हैं।
Who is dharing the, who is taking? So Radha ji is taking that,
और तीसरी जो
and the
है
third one is
मणि इसके लिए कहा जाता है चिंतामणि और कोसमणि के लिए उदाहरण
Chintamani or Sprashmani, maybe one of them.
देखो यहाँ पर कहा है
So here it is saying, just like Kaustubh mani is topmost in all kinds of jewels, in the same way, in the Ras poetry,
यह श्लोक
this shlok is topmost.
यह श्लोक स्वामिनी
Shri Swamini spoke in the state of Divyonmad, divine madness, when she was deeply
इनकी कृपा से
aggrieved in the separation mode from Krishna. And by her mercy, it is manifest in the speech of Sri Madhavendra Puripad. So, without the mercy of Radharani, this kinds of bhav cannot be manifested in the hearts of someone. Because Aladni Shakti Srimati Radhika Rani is, if mercy is not upon someone, so this kinds of bhav cannot be stimulated in somebody's heart. That's why by her mercy, in the speech of Madhavendra Puripad, this shloks was recited. So then, accepting the mood of Shri Radha, Shri Krishna Chandra relished this verse as Shri Gaurachandra. What is the meaning here? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna himself. So, taking the bhav and angakanti of Radhika Rani, he appeared in the form of Gauranga. So, he is relishing this shloka here. No fourth person has ever tasted its inner moods. Uttering this verse, Shriman Mahaprabhu would become overwhelmed by prem and faint. So we are reading here, nothing happening with us. We are hearing, nothing happening with us. If Srinivas Thakur here, he would be cry. You have heard the story of Shivas Thakur. When Shivas Thakur
देवानंद पंडित के सभा में गए,
we went to the Devanand Pandit hearing Bhagavatam. When he heard the Gopi Geet, so he got fed there.
इसलिए करें इस श्लोक को पढ़कर श्रीमान महाप्रभु
So hearing this shlok, Mahaprabhu become overwhelmed by hearing and faint. In the madness of love, sometimes he would run here and there, sometimes he would laugh and sometimes he would dance. He was unable to utter more than Ati Aideen, Aideen, due to absorption in ecstatic love. Tears would flow from his eyes, and Satvik, Vyavachari, and other bhavas appeared in his body. Just like we have heard the story of Param Gurudev, Bhakti Pragyan Srila Keshav Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada, when he disappeared, Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, he went to his Samadhi's place and he was never uttering the words Prabhupada. When he said Pra, his throat is choked that time. Prabhu, can you switch off the fan? So, because this is the stage of love. When remembering him, by his mercy, his all kinds of pastime was remembering his sweetness. All was manifesting in his heart. We used to say Prabhupada, Prabhupada and dance here and there. The foreigners used to say Prabhupada, Prabhupada. One of our brahmachari, he used to say like this. He used to say, because they are the foreigners, so their pronunciation is different. So except of Prabhupada, they used to say Prabhupada, Pad. So many Prabhupada, like this. They said that we are not able to understand what they are saying. Actually, they are hearing Prabhu only, and the path, their accent is different. The American accent is different. They were saying Prabhupada, like this. So they were not able to understand what are they saying. Sometimes used to say, very nice you are speaking, very nice. So what is my mean to say actually? Yes, the text number is 7. Because Mahaprabhu was so much overwhelmed with love or absorption in aesthetic love, Prem Dasha, that's why he was not saying Aideen. More than Aideen, he was not able to speak. So tears would flow from his eyes, and Satvik, Vyavachari and other bhavas appeared in his body in their blazing state. There are 5 kinds of stage of love: Dhrumaid and the Sudip, last one. There are 5 kinds of. Is only situated in Shrimati Radhika and Mahaprabhu, Sudipta Bhav. The other gopiyas, there is a stage of love, Roda, Adira. In the Mahishi can go to Roda Bhav, and Gopi, they can go to Adirud Mahabhav. But just you hear the words only, Rud, Adirud, you cannot able to understand what kinds of words these are, but you should hear these words only. Mahishniya, Ruda. Mahishis can reach to Ruda Bhav, and Adirud Mahabhav, Gopis can reach there. And Adirud Mahabhav, there is beyond from Adirud Mahabhav, the stage of love is seen in the Radha's Pakshi Gopis, Lalita and others. Rud, Adira. Lalita can reach to Mohan Bhav. Madan Bhav, it is only seen in Shrimati Radhika. Madanakya Mahabhav, Madan Mahabhav.
वास्तव रूप में
Actually,
चंद्रावली
Chandravali
आदि
and other gopis,
के प्रतिद्वंदी नहीं हो
they are not against to be, cannot be against
ललिता
Radharani.
आदि प्रतिद्वंदी कर सकते
Lalita and other Sakhi gopis can be
किंतु ललिता
rival,
आदि ये लोग इतने दिनों तक
but Lalita and other Sakhis, they have so many kinds of humbleness that they cannot be rival or against to Radhika Rani. So that's why Yog Maya, what she did, that someone needs to be against. That's why Chandravali, she became against to Radhika Rani. Actually, our Acharya Pad used to say Chandravali,
की प्रतियोगिता माने राइवल नहीं कर सकते।
Chandravali cannot be against to the Radhika Rani. Who can do the competition? Who is at the same level?
कम से कम 19-20 में
Maybe
कंपटीशन होता है
1920.
20 में होना तो अच्छा ही है
There's a difference between 1920.
19-20 में तो लग जाता है 18-20 में लग जाता है किंतु 17-20 में
So who can compete? Who has qualities like amongst
तो होगा ही नहीं
somebody has 20 qualities and somebody has 70? So there is no comparison. If somebody has 19 qualities and somebody 20, so there may be little bit competition.
के साथ प्रेम के साथ प्रतियोगिता करने
So Lalita and other Sakhi are capable to compete with Radharani. But Lalita and Vishakha and all other Sakhis, 8 Sakhis, they have so much love and affection towards Radhika Rani that they are never compete with Radharani.
राइवल करना नहीं
Rival. So that's why Yogmaya said one has to be there to rival. So that's why she took Chandravali.
प्रतियोगिता बिना प्रेम के क्या हुआ उसको
Without the competition, love will not increase.
इसलिए जो
That's why Yogmaya selected the Chandravali for this kinds of activity.
प्रेम राज्य उसी पर दिखा है।
It is in the Prem Rajya.
इसलिए कहते हैं ये समस्त सुदीप्त महाभाव
This all kinds of Sudipta Mahabhav have seen on one and only Radhika Rani.
धुमाएं जलित दीप्त उद्दीप्त
Drumay Jalit, Deepta, Udipta and Sudipta Mahabhav.
सुदीप्त जो महाभाव
So the Sudipta Mahabhav, the stage of Sudipta Mahabhav, it is only seen Shrimati Radhika Rani. और महाप्रभु
श्रीमद महाप्रभु प्रेम के कलवृक्ष के माली हैं
Mahaprabhu is the gardener. Srimad Mahaprabhu is the gardener of the desire tree of Krishna Prem. He distributes the fruits of these trees and also relishes them and himself.
इसके आगे का नाम श्रवण करेंगे महाप्रभु के क्यों दाता शिरोमणि क्यों
Why Mahaprabhu used to call biggest donor, Data Shiromani? Krishna used to call Data, donor, but Mahaprabhu is called Data Shiromani, topmost in donor. Prem Data Shiromani Sachinandan Gaur Hari, the topmost donor. This is the secrets here. So that's why in the Madhurya Kadamini Granth, Vishwanath Chakravarti, in the Ashtam Parichet, he has described this.
बहुत सुंदर ये संस्कृत महाप्रभु की महावदन्यता
Mahaprabhu's Mahavadanyata
शिरोमणि सचिनंदन गौर
and Prem Data Sachin Nandan Shri Gaur Hari, this is a speciality in him
संभव नहीं
which is not possible for Krishna. Krishna cannot give you that.
और यदि को कृष्ण दिया तो
And if you say Krishna has given, so he has only given to their parikar, their near and dears only.
इसके बाल तेल में लगा हुआ है और उसने अपने किया गया तेल खरीद के उसमें बाल में लगाया
Eh? What?
उसके रूखा सूखा बाल है उसमें तो तेल लगाओ तब तो समझ में आता है तुम दाता
Somebody has full of his hair full of oils, and you bought oil from the market and giving oil to that person who has full of oils with his hair. So this is not the donor. This is not the donation. But somebody has dry hair, and if you are giving oil to that person, this is the donation.
Gold has
So
come from Newcastle. तो उसी प्रकार
So that's why Krishna has given the prem to their near and dear ones.
प्रेम तो ब्रजवासी में ही है
So Brajvasi has the love. So Krishna has given to what he did.
कृष्ण जो प्रेम प्रदान किया
Whatever the Krishna distributed the love, he has distributed the love in the Braj, not beyond the Braj.
वृक्ष लता आदि के जो है प्रेम कृष्ण ने प्रदान किया इसलिए रूप गोस्वामी पाद इसमें तो वर्णन करते जा
Rupa Goswami Pad is describing in the Laghu Bhagavatam Grantha, Srila Rupa Goswami Pad is describing
कृष्ण की वदान्यता है
Krishna is merciful, but
किंतु वो बदन्यता जो है महाप्रभु के प्रेम बदन्यता के निकट हो।
But if we compare that mercifulness towards to Mahaprabhu, so it is very less,
महाप्रभु की जो प्रेम बदन्यता
because Mahaprabhu's mercifulness is topmost.
जो महाप्रभु एक ही साथ में
Mahaprabhu at the same time he has distributed the 7 bhavs to everybody,
है, ये कृष्ण के लिए,
which is not possible for Krishna.
ये महाप्रभु के लिए
It is only possible for,
विशेष वैशिष्ट
this is the speciality of Mahaprabhu.
है।
Namo Mahavadanyaya.
ये वर्णन
This is described in the Madhurya Kadamini, that why Mahaprabhu is called the Data Shiromani, the topmost donor, and what is the speciality of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So we will describe this later. You should only remind this.
ये माधवेंद्र पुरीपाद
That Madhavendra Puripad,
जिस हृदय
whose heart was saturated with Krishna Prem, was the very first sprout of this desire tree.
रस रूपी अंकुर पुष्ट अवस्था में प्राप्त हुआ है, हैं?
Yes.
वो माधवेंद्र
Madhavendra Puripad,
के पास है। माधवेंद्र
Shri Mati Radhika's bhav first comes to Madhavendra Puripad. So it comes to the Madhavendra Puripad at the just like a sprout form,
और वो अंकुर
and that sprout
पुष्ट अवस्था में कहाँ पर आ गया?
Ishwar Puripad.
ईश्वर पुरीपाद
That sprouts then gone to Ishwar Puripad.
में वह प्रेम रूपी अंकुर पुष्ट
So Ishwar Puripad, this sprouts Prem Ras grew.
और संत चैतन्य
So the gardener Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself manifested as the trunk. Mahaprabhu from the Ishwar Puripad went to Mahaprabhu, that Prem Dhan, the treasure of love.
और महाप्रभु सच्चिदानंद
And Sri Mahaprabhu Sachindan Gaur Hari manifested it as the trunk.
माली और उस प्रेम वृक्ष के स्कंद रूप में प्रकट हुए।
How beautiful is this? Wow, very nice.
और उसमें दो स्कंद से दो शाखा हैं।
So
अद्वैत आचार्य नित्यानंद प्रभु
So from that tree there are 2 branches come, Advaita Acharya and Nityanand Prabhu, and from there are many branches goes on.
इसलिए कहते हैं माधवेंद्र
That's why it is saying Shri Madhavendra Puripad, there was no Rasamai Upasana.
में
Actually,
माधवेंद्र पुरीपाद की जो
at the time of Madhavendra Puripad,
संबंध है, माधवेंद्र पुरीपाद के पूर्व में
before the Madhavendra Puripad,
वो रसमयी
Rasamai Upasana nahi thi. There was in the Madhva Sampradaya,
तो माधवेंद्र पुरीपाद
or in the guidance of Madhva Sampradaya and in the dynasty of Madhva Sampradaya, Madhavendra Puri, before Madhavendra Puri, there was no Rasamai Upasana.
उपासना नहीं थी। श्रीमद् महाप्रभु की
Shriman Mahaprabhu,
देश में दक्षिण देश
when he visited the South India,
विचार से यह ज्ञात होता है कि मध्य
So,
संप्रदाय में ऐश्वर्यमयी उपासना ही
through the ideas expressed by the Tattvadis, whom Shriman Mahaprabhu met while traveling in South India,
चारी भाव
one can understand that worship in the Madhva Sampradaya used to be performed only in the mood of awe and reverence, Aishwaryamay Upasana.
प्रकट होकर स्थायी भाव को पुष्टि करते हैं।
Various Sanchari Bhav manifested in the state of separation. What is called Irsha? What is jealousy actually? Seeing someone's gratefulness, if we feel jealous, so that is called jealousy.
आज वो हमसे ज्यादा
He is greater than us.
है, इससे क्या होता है? इस
So if somebody is greater than us, so we feel some jealousy.
के क्या है?
So in the transcendental world, these all are the symptoms.
करते हैं बढ़ाते हैं।
So in the transcendental world, these all kinds of things, jealousy and enviness, that increases the love.
जगत में ईर्ष्या जो है सार्थक में सिखाते हैं, सार्थक रहता है।
So in this world, we have seen the word irsha, jealousy. So there is a selfishness inside that.
गिराया जाए।
And then how we have to downfall that other persons. These kinds of feelings somebody has in their heart. But in the transcendental world, nothing like that.
इसे कहते हैं ईर्ष्या जनित क्या होता है? मान हृदय में प्रकट होकर और स्थायी भाव को पुष्ट करता है। ये समझते जो है इसे क्या कहा जाता है? अनुभाव आदि के द्वारा स्थायी भाव को क्या करता है? ये पुष्ट करता है। जैसे समुद्र की लहर
just like the waves of the ocean. When waves of the ocean, they increase the beauty of the ocean. So at that time, the beautifulness of the oceans increases so much. In the same way, in the transcendental world, Asua, Dainya, Irsha, enviness, and the Man, these all are increases the sthai bhav there. You understand? It is really hard to understand, but you should understand. First, you have to hear. One birth, you have to listen. When you will continue hearing, so by the mercy of Lord, you will get this. You will understand. Maybe it is hard to understand, but hearing the katha again and again, so maybe one word you will be able to understand, and in any other word you will be realized. That's why it is saying Danya, Asua, and Man, due to jealousy, appears in the heart and nourish the sthai bhav. Many kinds of sanchari bhavs arise in Sri Radha's heart when she is submerged in the ocean of separation from Sri Krishna. So why this word I? She is expressing herself very much humble. And she is explaining to Krishna, I Deen Nath. So who are so much Deen or Heen means humble, so you are the Nath of him. So who are the so much humble and simple, Bhagwan give them mercy very early. That's why Bhagwan's one name is Dinanath. Because he is so much merciful, when seeing somebody is suffering, so his heart is melted. That's why he is called Dinanath. That's why Gopis are saying, hey, we are very deen, we are humble, we are beggar. In the Brahma Gita, there is a katha. So the Brahma, Krishna, he is again and again try to sit on the feet of Radharani. And what Radharani is doing? She is saying that he is the messenger of Krishna. Thinking that he is the messenger of Krishna, Radhaji, what she is doing? She is saying, oh Brahma, oh Black Bee, you go from here. Why have you come here? You are coming to break my man? Don't you feel ashamed yourself? Why have you come here? You don't know how you have to break my man. You don't know. You are not aware about this. You are very fool. In the same way, Krishna is also Dhurt. He is also foolish. So Dhurt, the foolish person, keep the friendship with the fool person. The rich person always keep the friendship with rich. So the poor always keep the friendship with poor. And the person who was very cunning, they always used to keep the friendship with cunning. So at that time, at the stage of love, Radharani is saying, you are the fool. In the same way, your friend Krishna is Dhurt also. He is also foolish. So maybe at that time, that Black Bee is saying, what is my fault? What is my fault? Why I am fool? In the market, there is a pot, there is a pitcher, and you have to break from before everybody. What is meaning here? Why are you saying me fool? Don't you feel any kind of shyness? You are fool, just like your friend is fool. You don't know why are you fool, and you would like to listen from my mouth. Okay, listen, I tell you, why are you fool? Why are you so much cunning? I just tell you. From morning to evening, what you do? You goes to taking the honey. And from the morning to evening, you never connect any kinds of honey. There are some kinds of black bee. They used to go visit it from morning to evening from many different kinds of flowers.
और उस फूल को छोड़ करके दूसरे फूल तीसरे
So what they do, what they used to do from one flowers to another flowers.
इसमें तुम्हारी कोई निष्ठा नहीं,
Because you don't have firm faith towards one flowers.
उनके मधुपान करने से
If you stick on one flower, so your stomach will be filled up, but you are not collecting. Actually, you are just one flower to another from going here and there. This is the cheating propensity. That's why in the same way your Krishna is cheater. He also have the cheating propensity. Whenever he see any other gopi, so he used to say, no one is beautiful like you. And that's why with that gopis,
चोपड़ी बात
and then he used to do flattery words with that gopis and used to say, oh, you are so sweet,
उसके आलिंगन चुमन आदि
and he used to hug and kiss and leave them.
फिर दूसरे के
And
पास
then he goes to another gopi
नहीं तो
and he used to say the same words
ना उसे किसी की निष्ठा है,
because he doesn't have any kinds of firm faith
सबका पर
or one pointed. He is a cheater. Whenever he see any gopi, he used to say like, no one is like you, no one is like you.
अपने स्वार्थ सिद्धि के लिए
He is all just for his selfishness.
जो महिमा बखान करने के तात्पर्य क्या है?
Somebody is glorifying someone, so what is the meaning of that? Maybe he has something inside his heart. He has selfishness. Especially
जाना है
if you have to attract the ladies, you have to praise her. If you want to attract the ladies, so praise her.
दुनिया में कौन सा चीज अच्छी लगती है?
Sri likes praising so much.
उनकी महिमा को
If somebody glorifying the ladies, so they will please so much. Oh, you are so beautiful. You have this kinds of qualities. This is true. It is the scripture's word. I am not saying myself.
जाना है
If you have to attract the ladies, so you have to glorifying them.
एक व्यक्ति था,
There was one man.
वो एक दिन को संत महात्मा से मिले,
So he met one saint person. He said, Maharaj, my husband is not satisfied. My wife is not satisfied with me. She is not happy with me. What to do? Wherever after finishing my work, whenever I go to my home, so she always scold me. The sant person said, okay, do one thing.
पत्नी को बखान कर,
You always glorify your wife.
देखो धीरे धीरे
Then gradually your wife will be happy with you. Okay.
जैसे प्रसन्न करना है उसके तो भी भाई बोलना भी तो सही होता है, नहीं तो यहाँ भी कम नहीं।
So how I have to please her? So because the ladies are so much clever.
आसान सुनो, एक पुरुष से एक स्त्री जो है 4 गुना,
So from one person, one man, the lady is clever 4 times clever than a man. A lady is 4 times clever than a man.
तो जानते नहीं
Because he was not aware about this. So what he did?
क्या समझा क्या करें?
So what should I praise to her wife? So Maharaj said, whenever you go to eat, so always praise to your wife. Oh, whatever kind of food you have, created, you cook, it is very nice. So one day he sit to eat.
क्या दिया?
What happened? So the wife gave the paratha because the winter's time.
गरम गरम
Very hot mooli, gobi, methi, mix up paratha, very nice with full of desi ghee. Chakachak ghee was there.
आई थी ना गरम के ठंडी के समय
So at the time of winters,
क्या लगता है?
which is the topmost food, aloo, gobis, paratha, and methi paratha, and there is pure ghee both side, chakachak. And when the winter time, when you eat that, aha, you will feel so much pleasure. I'm not. So he sit to eat. So what happened? The wife gave. So wife gave a paratha which is full of ghee.
अभी वो तो संत महात्मा
Because he was remembering the words of Sant Mahatma, now I have to praise my wife. So he said, oh wow.
जो पराठा जो
So the paratha you have given me today, aha, this is delicious. I have never eaten like this.
हमारे हाथ जहाँ पर लग
So,
जाता है,
so whenever you touch the food, so it becomes the nectar.
आज इधर डंडा
So Patni, the wife took the sticks and she said, oh, 30 years has been passed away and you never cooked and you never praised my preparation. But now I have taken from my neighbors this paratha and now you are praising that. Oh my God! It is not made by my hand. It is made by the neighbors, lady. And now you are praising that. Oh my God! Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai.
दिया भी कौन चला
So
गया?
these ladies are very clever.
उनके प्रशंसा कर रहे हो कि
So are you actually praising them or just to attracting them you are praising? Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol. So in this way Radhaji is saying, oh Brahmar, I cannot be attracted towards your flattery words. Go from here.
उछाल है कपड़े
You are cheater. Flattery.
क्या बोल
So you are flatter. Go from here. So saying this kinds of word, you cannot get anything from her because your selfishness will not be fulfilled.
जाना भी तुम्हें नहीं
I won't give you one fish chana. Go from here. This is very nicely described in Madhurya Kadamni.
ये समझते हैं
So all kinds of in the separation mode.
इसलिए विरोध में नाना प्रकार की संचारी भाव प्रकृति
So in the separation mode there are many kinds of sanchari bhav manifest states. So that's why they are feeling gopis, then aswa, man, and the all kinds of bhav increase. There is a sanchari bhav.
राधा जी के हृदय में नाना प्रकार के संचारी भाव
Hey Bhagwan.
उदय होकर आप सबका आप शांति भावोत्पत्ति आदि ये समस्त सभ्य समुद्र के तरंगित कर रहे हैं विरह महादेवी राधा अत्यंत दीन भाव से संबोधित करते हैं वही दीनो दयाद्रनाथ
Ahi Deen Dayadranath. चलो गौर प्रेमानंद.
चित्त अत्यंत सरल और स्निग्ध मुझ पर कृपा कीजिए मैं आपको प्रयोजनों की आपके हरण करने वाला हूँ भगवान के नाम के जनाब
Bhagwan one's name is also Janardhan, who always destroy the suffering from another persons. That's why his one name is Janardhan.
तो उसी प्रकार जीवों पर दया
So Radha is saying, oh Radha, who is mad is separation viraya, address Krishna as extremely humility. I Deen Dayaranath. Oh Krishna, you are very simple hearted and affectionate. It is mentioned in the Gopi Gita very nicely how gopis are saying very humbly.
जहाँ जहाँ पर ब्रज में
Wherever in the Vraj sufferings came,
वो समस्त
any obstacles came,
आपने क्या किया
so what you have done, you have destroyed all that kinds of obstacles. That's why his name is also Janardhan.
इसके द्वारा
By the
जल क्या हो
when Kaliya, when the water of Yamuna was so much contaminated with the poisons, so you have killed that such Kaliya Nag.
उस जमुना के जल से
You have kicked out that Kaliya Nag from the water of Yamuna.
कल्याण की कथा जो
You have heard the story of Kaliya Nag.
स्वयं भगवान
So-
कालिया नाग के दमन करके
So Bhagwan killing the Kaliya Nag or destroying his man, so that Kaliya Nag went out from
फिजी में जो द्वीप है रमणीक द्वीप में
Ramanik Deep. So he went from Yamuna to Ramanik Deep in the Fiji, which is in Fiji now.
अभासुर के भी
He killed the Aghasur.
आपने दमन किया विसर्ग जलापार व्याप रखा वर्ष मारुतार वज्जुका नला इंद्र के कोप से ब्रजवासी को आपने रक्षा
So you saved the Vrajvasi from the angerness of Indra.
व्याप रखा
You lifted the Govardhan.
मारुतार वज्जुका नला फिर हाँ? तो ये समस्त ब्रज में जब
So whenever in the Vraj obstacles came, you saved the Vrajvasi
उत्पत्ति से आपने
with that obstacles.
आज हम लोग के सब
Now,
उत्पत्ति क्या है?
what is the topmost obstacles of us? Because we are suffering in your separation.
इसलिए आप
That's why,
दीनजन के आर्थिक
because you are Dinarthi, because you always capture the obstacles of everybody. That's why, Hey Krishna, please save us and give the shelter of your lotus feet and save us. So we will discuss about this tomorrow. Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bol. Vancha Kalturvesha Kripa Sindhivita Patitanam Pavnebhyo Harishnabhyo Namo Namah. Hare Krishna.
experience qualities of Radharani. Okay, and Chandravali is also not a competitor of Radharani, but actually there is a leela for increasing the love. Somebody is inferior in love and somebody is junior and senior like this. They were so in that transformer, they are all increasing the love. This is the power of Radharani. They are nobody is against for Radharani. Everybody is doing the favorable for Radharani. If you want to take like that, because Chandramali has